Hey there, got yourself a shiny new video doorbell but don't want to drill holes in your wall or door? We've got the perfect solution, the Universal Doorbell Adhesive Mount. To secure the mount, we supply heavy-duty, industrial-grade adhesive pads. Once applied to a clean, dry and smooth surface, these pads create a permanent, ultra-strong bond, keeping your mount firmly in place without the need for drilling. This bond is so secure that it holds stronger than screws, ensuring your video doorbell stays safely in position even in extreme weather conditions. Our regular model is designed to fit all Ring doorbells, including the battery, wired and Pro models. If you're using a different brand, there's just one quick thing to check. Make sure the distance between the mounting holes on your doorbell doesn't exceed 4.9 inches or 125 millimeters vertically and 2.3 inches or 59 millimeters horizontally. Even if your doorbell is larger than the mount, don't worry. As long as the holes fit, you're good to go. Let's get started. First things first, punch the screw holes. We recommend using a small screwdriver or sharp tool to make neat little holes before screwing in. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: screws, washers, and adhesive pads. The mount itself is made from precision-engineered grids covered with a thin surface, tough enough to hold your doorbell securely but easy to work with. For the best result, attach the doorbell to the mount before sticking it on the wall. Remember, the mount doesn't replace your doorbell's original mounting plate. They work together to keep everything locked in place. The mounting plate is not included but required. If your doorbell's mounting holes are a little too big, no problem. Just pop in the included washers for a perfect fit. Now, prep your surface. Give both the wall and the back of the mount a good clean with isopropyl alcohol or a vinegar-based window cleaner. Clean, smooth and dry surfaces like UPVC, glass, plastic panels, metal or smooth wood will give you the strongest hold. Avoid dusty, damp or uneven surfaces. We're all about that smooth stick. Need to run wires? No worries. First, you need to switch off the power supply. The sticky mount has cable entry tabs that can be easily cut or drilled out. Just remember to wear safety gear when cutting. Time to stick it on. Apply the adhesive pads to the back of the mount and firmly press the mount against the wall for at least 30 seconds. The adhesive glue will hold the weight of the doorbell immediately but will fully cure after 24 hours. Finally, reconnect the wires, then reattach your doorbell back into position and you're all set. No drills, no mess, no fuss. Need to remove the mount? Easy. Use a flexible filling knife with a little lubricant spray like WD-40. Gently work your way around the edges until the mount pops off. If there's any glue left, a scraper will clean it right up. Thanks for choosing Mars Outpost. If you need any help or have questions, our friendly support team is always ready to assist. Enjoy your fresh new doorbell setup and happy installing!